Hey everyone, it's Veronica and welcome to my channel, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to thread a hand needle and not a thread. For this video you'll be needing your hand needle, your thread and a pair of scissors. So first thing, you get your thread and you cut a particular length of thread. It can be 20 inches, 30 inches. Then you take your scissors and cut one end of the thread at a 45-degree angle like mine. Then you take your left hand if you're right-handed and you place your needle between your index and your thumb, index finger and your thumb. Then you push your thread through the eye of the needle, and as simple as that, we have threaded our needle. This is one way of threading our needle. Then for the other method, you also take your left hand if you are right-handed. Then you place not the needle, you place the thread between your index finger and your thumb. Just leave about 1 inch to show. Then you put the eye of your needle on top of the thread and push your needle to pass the eye of the needle so that the thread can pass through the eye of the needle. This is a simpler way of threading your needle. As simple as that. Then to knot our thread, what we do is you take the two ends of the thread and place them together just like I've done, and try to make them equal just like this. Then you take your index finger of your left hand if you're right-handed and you place the two ends on the index finger just like I've done here. Then you move the thread once round the index finger just like I've done. We'll do it again. Then now you roll towards the end of the finger and pull. As simple as that. That's my tiny knot there. Can you see my knot? As simple as that. We'll do it again. Place on the index finger, roll once and roll towards the end of the finger and pull. This is the knot again. Now I will nip that excess away. So we have formed a knot on our thread. And this is it. We've threaded our needle with two different methods, and now we have also formed a knot on the thread. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to hand sew 3 types of basting stitch. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.